How to fix battery draining problem on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's fix battery draining issues on your Android device and boost its battery life. So for that you need to first check battery uses. Go to settings and then navigate to battery option. Select that and you need to tap on battery uses by app. You need to see which apps are consuming the most battery. If an app is draining too much battery, consider disabling or uninstalling it. Next, you need to turn off unnecessary features. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS and NFC. Turn off this feature when not in use. You can swipe down from the top of the screen and turn off the toggle for these features. Make sure auto brightness is enabled or manually lower your screen brightness to save the power. Next, you need to make sure that you update apps and system software. Ensure your Android operating system and apps are up to date. For that, you need to head to the settings, navigate to search bar, and type in update. And here, you need to locate software update and select it. So if you found any updates, you can easily install it and download it to the latest version. Afterwards, by following all this step, you should see a noticeable improvement in your Android device battery life. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.